pleased to show you the 2015 300C. The Chrysler 300C is one of the last of the big, powerful rear-wheel drive American four-door sedans. A car for the open road and a long highway. It has great styling, impressive handling, and pavement-eating performance. It's smooth, luxurious, quiet, comfortable, and everything a top-ended American four-door sedan should be, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, moonroof, alloy wheels, heated rear seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.